Hey, what's up YouTube? Back again with a brand new episode of What's in the Box, switching things up. I know I've been gone for a while, so I thought when I came back I would do things slightly different. Same me, same show, just different location, different angles, you feel me? So without further ado, let's get started. If you know what's in this box, comment down below. But if you see this orange box, you already know what it is. It's a Fear of God collaboration with Nike. But this is a recent pickup for me. Without further ado, let's get into it. So here we have the Air Skyline 2 in the light bone colorway, right? So pretty dope shoe. I picked it up personally because I already had the black Air Fear of God ones, and I wanted one of the other shoes, but they only had black and white at the time. So looking for them because these are the second time these actually released, and the first time it was like a Europe exclusive or something like that, like a Paris Fashion Week or Milan Fashion Week, whatever. And they came out, they look dope. They look better than the original white and black ones, and I'm a particular fan of this clear swoosh, right? Just because it's just a subtle accent, but it adds another level to this overall colorway. And the shoe, it's simple. It looks like it goes with everything. I think that was the intention behind these. Like, you can wear it with blue, you can wear it with white, you can wear it with black. It doesn't matter. The light bone colorway kind of absorbs whatever you're wearing. And one of my favorite details on this is the shoelaces, like the lace lock with the Fear of God detailing that he has on the Air Fear of God ones and all of his other shoes that he does. Like, it's just very good attention to detail. And I know you guys can't feel it, but this suede is probably the softest suede ever. I don't know what palettes that he was looking through at Nike, but he definitely chose the best materials out. And some detailing, of course, the Fear of God in that flight script from the early 90s that he was a fan of, which I'm a fan of. I mean, I wish I could have done something in that same script, but might be on Pixel sometime. We'll see. So there you have it, the Nike Air Skyline 2 in the Fear of God light bone colorway. Pretty comfortable shoe, if I say so myself. Overall opinion of the Nike Air Skyline 2, dope shoe. Always been a dope classic silhouette. It has the feel of a dope everyday shoe. I really like what Jerry Lorenzo did to it. Probably gonna see these on Instagram a lot. If you like the socks, let me know in the comments down below. I made them personally, so if you would like me to release them on my clothing brand website, let me know down in the comments below. If you'd like to see some different colors, then let me know that too. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, hit the notifications, all of that, so you can be in the know anytime I drop a new video, because I am back. Okay, I am back. I got a lot of shoes back there that I haven't put on video yet. A lot of new, interesting silhouettes that you may or may not have seen before. So come back and check it out. Also want to give a shout out to the homies over at Oats for providing me with this dope hat. Probably one of my favorite hats in the rotation right now. 9 out of 10 times I'm reaching for this one. So get the boys a shout out. Check them out over at TrillianServe.com. They got some dope stuff cooking. And shameless plug, we got another collab coming out. Collab number 2 over at Trillion Pixels with my clothing brand Pixel Apparel. So stay tuned this fall. If you haven't checked out Pixel Apparel yet, we got a 40% off sale going on right now while supplies last. So check it out. Code and website in the description below. Furthermore, let me know what you think about the new setup. Trying some new things, trying to get the dimensions right for IGTV and some Instagram posts and stuff like that. But let me know what you think. If you want me to go back to the old way, then let me know down in the comments below. And if you want to hear, what's in the box? Then let me know that too, because I always got to have that in there some way, right? So if you made it to this point, then you already know what's coming next. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you next time. Until next time, peace.